Hey guys, so one of the things that has made me very successful as an affiliate marketer is copywriting and funnel hacking, right? I have mastered that art. But the truth of the matter is that there are persons who this is exactly what they do. This is like their core competence. So in the house today, I have Chike, who is the CEO of Chuff Tech right here in Abuja. And he understands, he's an expert when it comes to copywriting and funnel hacking. So today he's going to be talking to us about the nitty-gritty, the things that we need to know if we're actually going to become a success story when it comes to copywriting and funnel hacking, and why it is very, 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 very important if you actually want to make money online. So Chike, welcome to the house.
Thank you, Gerald. It's been a pleasure. All right, thank you, viewers. My name is Chike, like you said, and I'm just going to share a few things on copywriting and funnel hacking. Listen, the success of your online campaign is largely dependent on these two things. Get everything right. Without getting these two things right, everything is going to collapse. Now I'm going to explain that. Think about it. I'm sure you've seen a couple of guys. They run ads consistently. And you're wondering, these guys have a lot of money. No, there is a technology they understand. There is a science behind the scene that is playing out that once you understand, it's going to blow your market, your marketing. Now, when you drive traffic to the site, to your landing page, your squeeze page, or what have you, what happens from there? What you say on the web page determines whether someone is going to take an action, click a button, or act. And that's where copyright comes in. If you miss that equation, you can drive 1,000 traffic to your page, and you won't have a conversion at all. And so I'm just gonna show you a simple funnel, for example.
Okay, before you get to that, when you were talking, it's like you were focusing more on ads, right? Mm-hmm. Is it just ads that we can actually do copywriting and funnel hacking? Is that what it was?
No.
Free traffic also?
No, traffic. The reason for ad is traffic.
Okay.
So there are a lot of things. The reason why you try to build an online community is for one thing, so that you can move them to a point, a list that you own. Now there are different kind of lists. There are lists that you buy. There are lists that you own. The one you buy are the ones you do through ads. So once you move them from there, you can. But the aim at the end of the day, if you are just generating traffic, whether through organic or paid ads, and you don't do anything, is a waste. So funnel and copywriting is very important, whether the traffic is a paid one or a free traffic. Okay. And so I'm just going to show you a simple thing, what traffic is, what a funnel is, for example. So what is funnel? Funnel is how do you take a person from, now a lot of people waste money. This is what they do. This is a prospect. The guy has a big head, not a big head, he's paying you money. And so you do a lot of work to bring this guy to your page. Okay. He comes to your page, right? And you just say, buy now. The guy comes here, this guy doesn't know you. Why should he give you money?
Why should they trust you?
Why should they trust you? And so amateur marketers or a lot of people that even have massive audience make this mistake. Now guess what? Let's say it costs you $10. Your customer acquisition, the cost per customer acquisition, let's say it costs you $10, for example. And your product sells for, say, let's say $15. Guess what? Once you do this, most time when you drive like 100 traffic, you might have close to 10.5% conversion. All right? Now, at 10.5% conversion, you'll be looking at, let's say 10 of these. $150. Guess what? It costs you $10 to drive one traffic. And we're looking at 10 times 100. It's not going to be profitable. There's no way of business. So you see a lot of people, once they run an ads or they do a campaign, they get frustrated and stop. Now the question is, what is the secret? And this is what funnel is. Funnel is this. Hey, I get you in here. But if I have gone through the pain of getting you in here, why don't I meet you all through the journey? And for example, so if I'm selling, let's say a skirt, why don't I sell you a blouse?
That's upselling.
That is the upselling. I'm selling a blouse, why don't I also sell you a shoe? Now, guess what? I brought you in at $15. You have given me $15, for example. You will be willing to give me $32. You'll be willing to give me $100. Why don't I take you to a point where you'll be willing to pay me $1,000 for one-on-one fashion design consulting?
It's a process.
It's a process. So I brought you in. Now at this point, if I leave it here, I will run at a loss. And so what you need to do, and that's one of the things that we're going to be exposing in the forthcoming training, is to show you how do you identify your customer's value ladder. And once you can hack that value ladder, getting your customer to travel that ladder becomes an effortless process. And so now, having said this, this is just a teaser of what funnel hacking is. Now, how do you even know what step to take? What is step 1? What is step 2? Now, when you have designed this step, you have hacked the funnel. One key thing that you mustn't miss is what to say. Think about it. Buy now doesn't.
Sorry for cutting you. There was something I learned when I read Gary V's jab
Gary Hook,
he said something very striking. That's something that has helped me understand this thing, through my journey as an affiliate marketer and stuff. People make the mistake of asking people to buy every time. Now, when you do that, it becomes boring. Because people know that you are not giving out value. You just want them to buy. Now, the whole idea, what Gary V explained in that book, is that you give value over time and you ask people to buy. Now, there's one secret I always use when I'm doing affiliate marketing. For instance, this year alone, I've done over $10,000-$15,000 on as an affiliate marketer on Fiverr as a Fiverr affiliate, not as selling on Fiverr, as a Fiverr affiliate. Okay. So what did I do? I understood that Fiverr has an affiliate program. I registered for it. Now what I do is that I come right now and I teach people how to create Fiverr accounts. I am giving value. Right? I teach them how to create Fiverr account and I tell them to use my Fiverr link to sign up on Fiverr. And once they do that, I've gotten them. Now anything that they end up buying, Fiverr gives me a commission. Right? Now I did the same thing for Remitano. Remitano, I show people how to buy Bitcoin in Nigeria without your bank. Use this P2P thing. After I made that video, I told them to use my link to sign up. Now people are using my link to sign up. I came into Kingdom and I saw about 500k.
Wow.
Naira.
Wow.
So that's money that I didn't spend anything. One that I didn't spend on it. So that is real value, as opposed to me coming to sell you, Baba, go and buy Remitano.
Now look at what Gerard did. And this is what funnel hacking is. It's part of it. Now, he didn't just tell people pay. The first stage, which is what we are going to be sharing. How do you give value? What is the right value to give? How do you identify your audience? What is the right hook to get them? Then when they come in, what is the next stage? How do you warm them up? How do you build rapport? How do you build trust? And these are the things you're going to be learning. Now, also, talking about it, before you took over explaining that, right? Buy now. What about, hey, I like this, or send it to me now? People are more likely
send to my inbox.
Or send to my inbox.
Send to my email.
People are more likely to click on join a class, send to my link, send to my inbox that buy now. So the question is, how do you know the right words to use? Things have moved over the last 5 years. Internet evolves every day, and we're going to be sharing the modern technology, the modern framework for copywriting. Now, where you're sending these people page, now there are framework. I'm not going to be dealing with all of that now. There are framework for headline, there is a framework for bullets, there is a framework for call to actions. All right, and so those are the things that you're going to be learning in our forthcoming training.
Okay, so Chike has been talking about the forthcoming training. Actually, I've told you guys that a lot of you have asked me. I said, Gerald, how much do you charge for a free training? Is there a one-on-one training, a physical class, and all of that? Now, what I'm going to be doing is that because a lot of you guys have asked for it, we have decided to set up a physical training for us. Now, for everybody. Now, what we're going to be doing is that Chike is going to be the person in charge of copywriting and funnel hacking. Everything that he has done here today is just a teaser. In that program, in that training, is going to be very, very, very detailed. It's going to take you to how to set up the words that sell, what to use for your CTA, what to use for your headlines, what to use even your email marketing, what should you use in your title, and all those things. He'll be handling all of that in that training. Yeah. So and of course we're going to also have Ajayi Adebayo, who if you also know, he's going to be talking to you about how to sell physical and digital products on the internet. What we call information marketing, what we call online digital importation and all those kind of things, and how to market using Facebook ads and all of this. Ajayi is going to be talking because he's an expert in that field. And guys, we're also going to have Franklin Emmanuel, who you guys know too well. He's also a YouTuber, and I'm sure a lot of you actually do know him. So we're also going to have him in the house, and he's going to be talking to you about YouTube and the intro to digital marketing, to help you understand the basic of digital marketing. Because one thing is that when people ask me and they say, Gerald, what's the best skill that you think I should learn if I actually want to make money online? I always tell them that digital marketing is what it is. Okay. Right? Because everything revolves around digital marketing. That. Even the funnel hacking, copywriting, everything revolves around digital marketing. So Franklin Emmanuel is going to be talking about the intro to digital marketing that day. And I am going to be dealing with affiliate marketing, which is my forte. Right? So I'm going to be talking about that. Of course, I'm Africa's #1 affiliate. So okay, we'll give that to you. It's going to be a very detailed and practical class, guys. Right? And I'm going to be revealing more information, so please stay tuned on my channel, and I promise you that it's going to be a date with Destiny, guys.
Well, we're having this session live from Abuja. I can't wait to be in Lagos, and I'll be live there teaching you guys the framework. What is the formula for headlines? How to write an effective, highly converting bullets, and how to design a funnel. How do you a lot of you are looking at one product. Out of that product, we can get almost 5 values from there, and you can pipe people all the way. Don't miss it for anything. All right, catch you in Lagos.
Until I see you guys in my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Over from here, guys.